Hey everybody, we're back out in the desert in the middle of nowhere. Are you shocked? I bet you're shocked. Today we're gonna see if this toy can outfly this drone.
It would not outfly that drone. In fact, nothing would go well.
You see that? You see that? That means there's another like flash flood level monsoon season storm coming. Based on over there, we have about 20 minutes to film this entire thing before the floods come. We're gonna put this toy bird, the GoGo Bird, against the DJI Mini 2. Obviously, we're only gonna go with flight capabilities because the GoGo Bird does not have a camera, so we're not even getting into cameras. We're just getting into base level, already included flight capabilities. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh no, it's going so far away. Oh God, it's like going into like a friggin' cavern or something. Oh no. The wind is really pushing it away. It's having a very, very difficult time. We just crashed this thing so far away. It was like, way far away. I'm gonna put on my boots so that my legs are safe and we're gonna hike out and go find this bird. Thunder. Just heard the thunder. So you can see the flash floods have been really bad. It's definitely affected the film schedule, that's for sure. And you can see this really, really fresh washout area here. Even though this is not that far from the car, this is actually becoming slightly dangerous. I just saw lightning, hearing thunder. It is getting closer. And like I said, I've mentioned a couple times already, it's monsoon season in the desert, which means that flash floods are very common. And if you've never experienced a flash flood before, that's exactly what it is. It's totally fine. Everything's no big deal. And then suddenly it is pouring and the entire area around you is several feet of water and it can be quite deadly. I'm really glad that I brought my boots because look at this. That kind of thing would be no good to step on. We're getting a nice hike in today. That's, can you hear that? Storm is coming. Oh no. Oh man, come on bird, where are you? What is that? There's like a creature over there. Oh man. If it's a Wendigo and I'm about to get eaten, we're gonna find a higher little hill spot and see if maybe then we can like look down and try to find the bird. Did it get this far? Oh man. We're looking at like less than 10 minutes before the rain is here. You get pretty good at gauging how much time you have, but then again, they're called flash floods for a reason and not we'll give you some time to think about it and get your shit together floods. Frickin' hell. It's not just the flash floods you have to worry about. It's not just the animals, you know, snakes, whatnot. There are a lot of places you can trip and fall. And if you twist an ankle or break a leg while you're out here, and it could be really bad. So we always make sure we make contact with people when we get to places like this, send them a GPS location. We also have, oh God, the thunder. We also have other like emergency location devices, just in case. So if you're out in places like this, don't just go out and just wander about. Like, have a way people can find you if you either don't come back in the time you're supposed to come back, or if something happens and you can't leave, you can't get back to your car, but you need to signal for help, have the ability to do that. Because this is very quickly changing from, oh, how funny is this toy that it's got weird features that the drone that I have doesn't have, to, oh, we got lost in the desert and now we're gonna get stuck in a flash flood looking for a freaking toy. This means based on the rapidly approaching storm, that we might have to give up on the GoGo Bird, which really sucks because I really liked it. This is another thing. If you're out doing videos, if you do outdoor videos or travel videos, anything where you're leaving a point of reference, always be able to see where you came from. Because if I walk too far away and I lose sight of the car, and then I'm just wandering in the desert looking for a plastic toy, and that's how I die. Oh, that's not a story I want the cops telling my family. Like, whoa, this idiot couldn't let a tiny toy go because it was just that cool. Which it is, by the way. It's freaking super cool. And I was having a really good time messing with it. Storm is pretty much on top of us at this point. It hasn't started raining yet, but we have literal minutes to find this GoGo bird before the rain starts, and we are potentially really screwed. I just had a wild idea. You know I live in Vegas, and we're gonna do a good old-fashioned double or nothing. What's that mean, you may ask? We are going to send up our other drone, my good drone, on a search and rescue mission for this lost toy drone. That's right, double or nothing. We've got only a few minutes until that storm reaches us. This is an incredibly bad idea. Don't at me. I know it's a bad idea, but you know what? I want the toy drone back. We've come this far, everyone. We're sending up the Mini 2 in order to find the GoGo bird. We're home. Storm is here! It's crazy! It's raining! Like, the wind is nuts. I'm sure that this audio is like perfect, exactly what you come listening for. Quality content. The rains are here! The rains are here! So, that thing is gone. It's super gone, man. We're not getting it back. So, to say goodbye to the GoGo bird, join me in this video of remembrance.